A quick disclaimer before we get into the unboxing. First one is, these were sent to me direct. I did not buy these. And the second one is, I've already opened them because they sent me a link and said, would you like to review these? And I thought, oh, they look really nice. Yeah, I do. These are unique to these. These are the GT1s, and the cost at the time of making this video around about £32, so not too expensive. And they have a patent design on them. Apparently it's a Cobra design, and I think they look really nice. I really do. Hopefully he says they're really good as well, because I haven't actually tested them. So with that, let's get on with the unboxing and do a proper review on them. These are the GT1s, and they're sold by a company called EKSA, and they're not just for listening to music or doing voice chat, but also for gamers. So if you're a gamer and you've got a mobile device like a phone and you play games on your phone, these might be perfect for you because they have an ultra low latency of 38 milliseconds apparently in gaming mode. So on the side it says 38 milliseconds, like I said, ultra low latency, touch switch game music mode, so it goes from music mode to gaming mode, and 36 hours of ultra long life battery. Apparently it has a 500 milliamp battery. So with that, let's get out of the box, shall we? So we have instructions, and I'm not even going to bother reading that, but we have instructions. A USB type C to USB type B connection, and I've measured up already. It's approximately 120mm long, approximately. We have alternative ear pads for bigger ears or bigger ear gaps and smaller ear gaps. Move them out of the way. And there will be a medium-sized set already on here. So it's got their name on the top, and it's got their unique design. And apparently, when it lights up, it shows you how much battery life is left. And I believe that's for the charger on there. So it looks really nice. So first impressions, I do like the design. USB type C. Yeah, I really do. I think it's totally different and unique. Open them up, and even the earbuds look nice. Get one out. See that? I think that's how you pronounce the name, isn't it? EKSA, something like that. Yeah, very nice. Hopefully they fit my ears nice and comfortably. So what we're going to do in this video is I will do a tutorial just to show you how to connect it in case you don't know how to do it, but it is quite easy to do. But I will do a tutorial so you don't have to read the instructions, and also I will stick chapters in the video description so you can skip any part of this video and jump to the bits you want to see. So if you've never done a pair of these or never installed a pair of these before, make sure you take this little blue tag off of each earbud and place it back in the charger, because it will not charge with that on. So you must take that off first. Let's see if I can get hold of it. There you go, like that. Take that off, and you should never need it again. They are only there to stop it charging up. It should have enough charge on it anyway. See, there you go, look. Oh, look. Little eyes. See that? Take that one off as well. Like I said, I was really looking forward to doing these just for the design purposes. Now that is really nice. They look like little eyes. They're really good. Really impressed so far. Also, it says on there left and right, or L and R, so you know which one's which. Make sure you put them in the right ears. You don't want someone sneaking up behind you or from the side and it's coming from the other side, do you? So yeah, first impressions, love it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set them up. Get my phone, get my Bluetooth up, pair a new device, and they should work straight away. As soon as you take them out, they should start coming up in the search. There you go. EKSA GT1s. Click on that. Hopefully you can see that. Power, connect, active. Right, it's got 80% on battery, which is good enough for what we're going to be doing, which is actually testing them. So that is done. Get that out of the way. Get some music up. Oh, don't videos to us. Videos of me. We want audio. And always play the same tunes most of the time. It gives me a good mix of bass and treble. We'll do that one. Put them in your ears and they should just work. Hopefully. Oh, that's a nice tight fit. Right, I've had a little play about them and yeah, very easy to use, but if you want to adjust the volume, you have to actually do it on the device itself. You can't actually do it on the earbuds, but it's no biggie for me. It's just as easy to do it on a mobile device. If you want to pause music, you just press it once. If you want to play again, you just press it once. It can be left or right, doesn't really matter. 2 taps will go to the next track if you do the right hand side, or back to the previous track if you do the left hand side. Again, easy enough to do. If you want to change it from game mode to music mode or vice versa, it's press it once and hold it and it will change it over. Again, very easy to do. 3 taps, that will give you Google Assist or Amazon Alexa. She's up there. So yeah, again, that works extremely well. Quality of audio, music-wise, are very good. I haven't actually spoken to anyone yet, but bass and treble is very nice. I did manage to get it up to full whack or full volume, and does hurt your ears, but it doesn't seem to go distorted, which is what I like. So the next phase is I'm going to get someone to phone me, like the wife, and have a little chit-chat, see how easy it is to talk to her and how clear her audio it is. Hopefully it's very clear. And then I'm going to play a little game on there and see how good it is with the earbuds in. So I'll be back. Just as I stopped recording the video, someone actually phoned me on my mobile, and it was a perfect opportunity to test out the audio on chit-chat. And yes, I could hear them nice and clearly, and they could hear me nice and clearly. So we had no issues with conversations. That worked perfectly. So with that, let's do a bit of gaming, shall we? Right, that's the first time I played that game, and yeah, quite enjoyed it. You could hear people running behind you, running in front of you, to the side as well. Works extremely well, had no issues whatsoever. Like I said, never played this game before, but I downloaded it just to give it a test. Changing it over to game mode, again, very easy. Hold it in for about 5 seconds and it comes up and says, game mode. And that was really easy. I love the lights, or the little eyes. They look really good. You see that? I really do like that. It's really cool. Yeah, they definitely get my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether they get your thumbs up or not. I like the design on the case and on the earbuds as well. Let's close that game down. Yeah, I love both. The case looks really nice and modern and something a little bit different. Earbuds, they fit really comfortably for me. I have no issues with that whatsoever. And I just like the design. Yeah, really good. Let me know in the comments whether you like the design or not. I think they're really nice. Well worth the money, in my opinion. Definitely gets my thumbs up. So with that, I'm going to do a bit more gaming. And with that, If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.